Welcome back. Now we can study gaseous state in detail. Air, natural gas, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, ozone, water vapor, freons, etc. are examples of gases. As we all know, air around us have no shape and have no definite volume. If we are enclosing a gas in a container, it takes its shape. That is, all the particles spread throughout the container. So we can say that gases take the shape and volume of the container in which they are kept. Because of negligible force of attraction between the particles of gases, they are loosely packed and can move easily. So they are not rigid. You can see the arrangement of particles of solids, liquid and gases here. In solids, particles are orderly arranged and are closely packed. In liquids, the particles are close together but not as close as particles of solids. In gases, particles are far apart. That is, there is lot of space in between particles of gases, and for this reason the gases are highly compressible. The liquefied petroleum gas cylinders, that is LPG cylinder, that we get in our home for cooking, or the oxygen supplied to hospital in cylinders is compressed gas. Due to its high compressibility, large volume of a gas can be compressed into small cylinders by applying pressure and can be easily transported. We will get smell of cooking food without even entering kitchen. How does this smell reach us? The particles of aroma of food mixed with particles of air spread from the kitchen reach us even we are farther away. Due to high speed of the particle, that is, it is having high kinetic energy and large space between them, gases show the property of diffusing very fast into other gases. That is, maximum diffusion is there. In the gaseous state, the particle move randomly at a very high speed. I told you just now that the kinetic energy is higher now. Due to this random movement, the particles hit each other and also with the walls of the container. Hitting of the particles with walls of the container resulting in pressure. That is, the pressure exerted by the gas is because of the force exerted by the gas particle per unit area on the walls of the container. That means here actually force exerted is by the hitting of particles with walls of the container. So pressure is due to the hitting of particles of gases with walls of the container only. As the particles of gases are far apart, the mass of gas per unit volume is less. That is, density of gas is very low. As we all know that density is mass per unit volume. Now we can conclude the properties of gases. The gases have no definite shape, no definite volume, negligible force of attraction between particles. They are not rigid. Particles of gases are far apart. They are highly compressible, higher kinetic energy, maximum rate of diffusion, and density is very low. Now we can compare three states of matter. Solids have definite shape, but liquid and gases have no definite shape. Solids and liquids have definite volume, but gases have no definite volume. Third point, solids are rigid, but liquid and gases are not rigid. Solids and liquids have negligible compressibility, whereas gases are highly compressible. Next point, solids have high density and gases have very low density. And the density of liquid is greater than that of gases and lower than that of solids. The particles of solids are very close to each other. In liquid, the particles are close to each other but not as close as particles of solids. But in gases, particles are far apart. Seventh point, solids have negligible kinetic energy and gases have high kinetic energy. And the kinetic energy of liquids are lower than that of gases and greater than that of solids. Eighth one, there is maximum force of attraction between particles of solids. And for liquids, the force of attraction is lower than that of solids. And for gases, there is negligible force of attraction between the particles. Ninth point, the rate of diffusion is minimum for solids and maximum for gases. And the rate of diffusion of liquid is higher than that of solids and lower than that of gases.